Hi everyone, welcome back to Maths for Kids. My name is Jocelyn. In my last video, I showed you how to do division. I hope you have all been practicing. Division is really simple. In today's video, we will be doing something a bit more harder. To start off, I will tell you some tips and facts on how to do division. Then we will move on and I will teach you how to do the bus stop method. Facts about division. Division is splitting numbers or things into equal parts or groups. It is the opposite of multiplication, just like how subtraction is the opposite of addition. It is also breaking a number into an equal number of parts. Remember, if you know your times tables, then division will be very easy for you as it is the opposite of multiplication. Let's go on to some questions. Mark has 36 sweets and he wants to share them equally between the 3 of his friends. How many sweets does each of his friends get? First, we need to underline the important information. In other words, we need to underline or highlight the numbers. Then we will write it out as a division problem. 36 divided by 3. To do the bus stop method, we will have to write the question down like this. Next, we will see how many times 3 goes into 3. 3 goes into 3 one time. So, above the 3 from 36, we would write 1. Next, we would see how many times 3 goes into 6. 3 goes into 6 2 times. So, above the 6, we would write 2. And there we have the answer. 36 divided by 3 is 12. Lily has 25 marbles that she wants to share with 5 friends. How many marbles does each of her friends get? To do this, we will first have to underline or highlight the numbers. 25 and 5. Next, we will write it down in a maths question. 25 divided by 5. To do it in bus stop method, we will have to write the question down like this. Then we see how many times 5 goes into 2. But 5 can't go into 2, so we put the 2 next to the 5. And that makes 25. So the question now is, how many times does 5 go into 25? 5 goes into 25 5 times. So we write a 5 on top of the 5 in 25. And there we have the answer. 25 divided by 5 is 5. So each of Lily's friends get 5 marbles each. Penny has 60 flowers. She has to make 4 bouquets. How many flowers will there be in each bouquet? First, we need to underline or highlight the numbers. The numbers are 60 and 4. We need to write this into a maths question. 60 divided by 4. Next, to do this into the bus stop method, we will have to write it down like this. Then we see how many times 4 can go into 6. 4 can go into 6 once. So we write a 1 on top of the 6. But we have a remainder of 2. So we would have to write the 2 next to the 0. Like this. As you can see, now we have a 20. So we need to find out how many times 4 can go into 20. 4 can go into 20 5 times. So on top of the 20, we would write 5. So 60 divided by 4 is 15. Chris and JT went to Sumesh and Biji's house. They shared out a box of 48 mangoes between themselves. How many mangoes did each person get? To do this, first we need to underline or highlight the numbers. 48 is highlighted and there are 4 people, so the question would be 48 divided by 4. To do this in the bus stop method, we will have to write this out like this. Next we will see how many times 4 goes into 4. 4 goes into 4 one time, so on top of the 4 and 48 we would write 1. Next, we will see how many times 4 goes into 8. 4 goes into 8 2 times, so on top of the 8 we will write 2. So 48 divided by 4 is 12. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Carry on practicing. See you soon for my next video. Bye!